So there you go, look at that, all in there, welded up. To be honest, it's been quite nice to get that little bit of patch in there. Enjoyed welding that back in there, and that little one down there. Got all these little holes all welded up. There was a hole there which I've smoothed off already, you can't even see it, look. And these bits here done, so connect all this bit up. And so what I'm going to do, after smoothing all this up, I'll come over to this chassis leg, get that bit off, get all this drilled out, and then I'll probably do both legs at the same time, so it's all done. And then also, before we go and stacked it, before we get too carried away and put the legs in place just to see where I am, I've got to get this bit off from that bit, which I have started on the other side, over there. I can see it very well. Start separating it because that's the old bit of the chassis leg, and this is the inner seal bit which I've got to rebuild. But at least I can get that bit sort of attached to this, and I can rebuild all this bit after, because I want to get that all in place, and that's the plan. So what we'll do now, we'll just come back and get all this smoothed off, and then we'll go from there. So there you go, all smoothed off, all in primer. Really pleased with it, quite well. Most of this you're not going to see because of the legs going to go over this bit anyway. So I'll come and do that bit there. I'll show you the inside. Looking good now. What I'm going to do is The next bit is get these, obviously, these legs in. I've got this off now, this part off. I've got this off because it's all rusty in there. And you're probably thinking, why'd you use a big drill bit? But I want the drilling right out so I didn't have any trouble hitting them off with a chisel or anything like that. So I'll put some metal inside, I reckon, to strengthen all this bit inside and weld all these holes back up so it's all nice and strong. Get it all painted inside as well. But what I need to do now, I've just started doing this one actually. I'll probably do this off camera because I've got to get another drill bit because I burned that one out. So yeah, not quite. Yeah, I've got a couple more to do on that. So what we do now, come over here, get these bits off here, separate them bits, both sides, as you can see there. And then what we do is get the leg in. We get the leg in here, get it all bolted in, all clamped in nice, and then I can see where I've got to rebuild this bit onto the leg. I just need to get all that measurement right because I don't really want to put it in and that don't fit. So that's what we do, get the two legs in, and then we'll start messing about with this bit here, cutting all this out and trying to make this panel. But yeah, not looking forward to that bit, but I'm sure I'll be able to do it. It might go well, you never know. I've got to get all this back in shape, this bit here where we've knocked it about a bit. Anyway, we'll get the knob bits done and then we'll get the legs in and let's go. So all the legs are in, both sides, all the front panels on, all welded in, all done. I wish, I absolutely wish. How cool would that be? Yeah, look good. I've just put them in there for now, just so I can get this shape round here to this bit. But when I make this bit up, they're just basically in there just to get all the measurements right and stuff. And I've done all these bits, cut these bits off. As you can see, the other side, I've got to rebuild all them, but I'm not worried about them at the moment until I get all this all in place. And it's not quite there yet, but once I get some screws in there and pull it all tight to the inner wings, that should be good. But I've just got to make sure everything's lined up, measured up right, because obviously when I do this bottom bit here, I've got to get these onto that leg like I just showed you. So that's all. The only reason they're in there, just to get it all in. But that looks good, doesn't it? I'm impressed. Yep, nearly fell over. Brilliant. Yeah, it's looking good. Just thought I'd lay that on there just to sort of give you an idea that there will be a front end on it eventually. So yeah, I'm pleased with it. So that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for coming back. Absolutely fantastic support. Thank you for messages, keep coming. I want to make a big shout out to Dave again for buying me some cups of coffee on Buy Me a Coffee. Absolutely fantastic, brilliant, thank you very much. Next time we're going to get involved in getting that lower bit out and get all the rust and that cleaned up and see what we're playing with, and hopefully I ain't got to make too much of a bigger panel to put in there, but we'll try and get the legs all screwed in and get them all in place so that when I go back inside and weld that new bit in, that'll be all nice, and then we can get the lower cross member all bent up, cut away and get it all back into where it should be, and then we're getting there. I mean, yeah, it's good, really good, and then we can get all the front bit back on and yeah, hopefully drive it. So yeah, it'd be good. Anyway, like and subscribe if you haven't already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.